me to retrieve that which I have lost. I will even stoop so low as to ally with mortals. I doubt you'd understand such sentiment for the likes of a feline.
All for a cat? That's dumb as hell. I know I'd go to some pretty extreme lengths to fondle some titties, though.
The human psyche is a truly perplexing thing.
Oh. I think I might get it if it was for a dog.
Since you find the prospect of groping breasts intriguing, I'll let you touch mine as a reward for saving Meowie.
That fucking devil! What a tool! Snatching innocent cats! Well, that ain't happening on my watch! As a devil hunter, I say no! I'll murderize him! Straight kill the shit out of that asshole!